Sammy, we was mentioned about how ID, identity management, is certainly a key element of the entire zero trust architecture. What's going on at Okta to sort of make sure that's available, seamless, et cetera, so that it can be part of the picture?
Yeah, that's one of the tenets is that identity is the new security perimeter in a way. If you look at how modern technology gets consumed, it is quite different. And as such, it's really about giving the right access to the right people in the right context, and then evaluate that continuously. So in that sense, that zero trust journey often starts by getting that identity house in order. Now, we saw this massively when all this work from home tenets came into play this last spring, and some of our customers were saying that was the biggest unrequested test of their VPN capacity, both from licensing and from technology perspective that they've ever tested. But those agencies and those customers who were further along in the journey already at that point found that it didn't change that much when those restrictions came into play. If they had already taken that tenet of saying, well, let's look at the user and their device and look at the full context of the access, then we can actually make better access control decisions, and we can consume new technology much more rapidly than in the traditional model. So in that sense, those forces that had been moving into the same direction all just lurched forward very, very rapidly, and we saw that federal, state, and local government level, where even counties who had a program in place to move towards the zero trust model over the next 18 months, all of a sudden found themselves in one weekend having to implement that. And we saw a lot of these projects, spearhead ahead at massive speeds, both in the industry and in the agencies.